Hello everyone and welcome back to Door the Kitty. And unfortunately, when people talk about Linux, this archaic thing tends to come up a lot. What people refer to as the terminal command line, and is way too reminiscent of DOS days. Now, I'm not going to reject the command line entirely. If you're a keyboard shortcut fanatic and love getting things done quickly and in bulk, the command line is going to be a great help for you. And once you actually start using it, it can actually be a pretty useful tool. But today we're going to take a look at the right way to install Linux software onto your operating system, at least if you are a newbie. Okay, so going from Windows perspective, you will often go to a program's website and download an exe file. Now there's primarily two ways you can get software down in Linux. I'm going to shoot both two of them through different pieces of software. Just wait a second. So the first method that you're going to find is that packages are served for what we call package managers, which are essentially app stores, just like the Google Play Store, but they exist way before them and also contain a lot of stuff. For example, for Flight Gear, which is a flight simulation program I use, we've got a PPA that we could include. This could be a little bit archaic in the first place, but I have already added this, and for most software you don't have to unless you want the latest versions. So once you know which package the name of the program, you simply go into your software manager. The one I'm going to open for you is the one included in Linux Mint. The one that's in Ubuntu is going to be very similar. For example, if you want to install Flight Gear, we just type in Flight Gear. And once it comes up, you can just hit the install button and get it installed. Now I already have this installed on my system, but for something that you don't have, we're going to have a button come up here. You can click and it will install without nagging anything extra. It will ask you for the password, but that's it. Now, the second method is for Google Chrome. Cool. Now make sure you have selected this, and then it's going to grab a file that you can use. I'm pretty sure you still have it. No, apparently it didn't. Yeah. So you're going to download a deb file. Anyway, deb files like this are essentially like MSI files. There are installer packages which will map everything you will need to install new software onto your computer. And there's that. You have it downloaded, and you can double click it, and we'll pull up this software installer that you can just go ahead and install anything you want using this. Now it's a little slow to load. I'm pretty sure there's some disk traffic in the way, but yeah, you can completely install anything by using this method. I already installed it. I said it before, but it's as easy as that. You don't have to touch that archaic thing at all. You can do all of that, even at PPAs. You can do all of that in the graphical user interface and not fudge around with all that. So thanks for watching, Dirty Kitty, and we're going to see you again next time. Have a nice night.